Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Ikechi Onyenaka, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Moneymaker by 2 Chainz. This song is in the key of concert F minor, which is a D minor on the alto saxophone. Before we get into this video, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ikechi Onyenaka. I'm an alto saxophonist, multi-instrumentalist, and performing artist from Upper Darby, Pennsylvania, and my goal on this channel is to become the next big music legend to make it out of the Philadelphia music scene. So I post vlogs, performances, concerts, song tutorials, covers, you name it. If that interests you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So your first couple of notes are D with the octave key, B without the octave key, back to D with the octave key, E, F sharp, E, F sharp. And what I'm doing right there is I'm actually gracing the F sharp with an E. So you kind of get that little soulful type sound. Next, you kind of repeat that last line we just did. In case you're interested in getting the same equipment that I'm using in this video, everything for my saxophone is listed down below in my description. Everything from my reeds, my mouthpiece, my ligature, even my neck strap, all down below in the description. So the last part of the song is very similar to the first half of what we just did. For this one, you're gonna do D, E, F sharp, G, all with the octave key, F sharp, E, D. What I did there was I graced the G with an F sharp to make it more soulful. You can even grace the E with an E flat. So all together, this is the whole song. And you're basically gonna loop it. Alright, so now I'm gonna have a little bit of fun. I'm gonna do a little freestyle over Moneymaker on saxophone, so let's have some fun. So one thing I will tell you guys to do is I would suggest that you guys add some swing in there, you know, kind of swing the D to the B, because it gives it more of like a soulful type, jazzy type feel, you know. Instead of just doing a square like this. You know, it's like, that's kind of boring. So I'd say swing it, you know, have some fun with it, and yeah, you should be good to go. For anyone who wants to cover the song, regardless of whether you play saxophone, clarinet, keys, tag me in your song covers. I will be reposting all of your song covers of the song on my Instagram page. So definitely tag me. My Instagram is down below in this video, and I'll also leave it inside the description as well. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on social media. My links are down below in the description, and I also left them inside this video as well. You're also more than welcome to donate to my channel. It definitely helps out my channel. My Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal are down below in the description. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.